In this guide, I'll show you how to change Downloads folder location in Windows 11. Just go to the bottom of your screen, click on the Start menu icon, and now open File Explorer from above. Here, locate the Downloads folder. It will be located in Quick Access and on the left panel. If you can't find it, just open your Windows drive, which is typically C drive in Windows 11. Now go to Users, your username, and here is the Downloads folder. Right-click on it and select Properties. A new pop-up window will open. Locate the Location tab and open it. Here is the previous address of your Downloads folder. Just click on this Move button. Now go and select your preferred location and click on this Select Folder button. The location will get updated. Just go apply to save these changes and it's done. Now if you want to restore the Downloads folder location to its original directory, just click on the Restore Default button, apply, and click OK to save again.